Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Before improving the display, we will push our changes. So let's execute git status to check which files we are going to push. We have here dashboard controller, author, category and book CRUD controller. But as you can see here, we have the folder uploads. We will not push this one. So what we need to do before pushing is to add this folder to git enure here. We have already public assets and we will add also public and uploads. And that's it. Let's recheck. And as you can see, we don't have now the uploads folder. Let's add all now. Add and we'll commit with a small message is book CRUD. I forget the git, and after that git push main origin main. Now let's check the fields that we will improve. The first one is the summary. We have here a problem. We can see all the Bali's HTML. The second one is category. We see here we don't have any idea what is the category for this book. We can see only the number. We have here two categories, one category, and this one we have 7. And the last one is the book. We have here, we can see the hashed name. So we are going to improve those 3 fields. The first one is the summary. TextEditorField, we are need this one in the form. So we will add another option which called only on forms. This one will show only this text editor field on the form. So let's return here. We will not see it now. So for the display, we will add another one, text editor, to show the summary on the index page. We will use another field. It's called TextAreaField, and we will use the same here. So the summary and the label the same. They are going to be the same. After that, we are going to use other options to show. I will copy directly because if I write them, we will have a video with an hour. So here I use it render as HTML. After that, I will hide on the form. So because we don't need this one to create a book. After that, the form value, and we have the call function callback that will return our model. So let's return here, and as you can see, we have the resume and we'll show it as content HTML. So the most important to know, we can have 2 fields that use the same name on the entity, and we will use those options only on forms, hide on form, to show or hide them on each page. And we will use the same idea for the category fields. And as you can see here, only on forms, and this one hide on form. Let's return and check the result. We click here, we have Roman, and for the 7 here, we have all the 7 categories. Let's return now for the book, and we will use here hide. We have hide on form, hide on index also. This one we will not show it on the index page. So we have here index, and for the other field we are going to use the same idea with text field, because we only want to show a link. We have here text field and hide on form, and we have the format value and a callback function. Let's return and check, and we have here show the document in French, voir le PDF, and when we click we will see our PDF file here. So to recap, we have two solutions. We can use the format value on the same field, or we can use double field to show entity data. So that's it for improving the display, and we will check now our database. As you can see here, we have all the data, but we have the book file path and the cover image path are all null. So we need to fill them with the path. And also we are going to have a test of deleting. So we will delete all of them. And we will check our uploads file and images, and as you can see, so we have here the book files and images are all deleted, but the real file and images are not deleted, so we are going to have a storage problem. So see you in the next video to fix this problem.